Hey guys, on today's video we will be at the beautiful Waihee Ridge Trail on the north shore of Maui. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the video.
Alright guys, so this is the Waihee Ridge Trail. It's supposed to be one of the nicest hikes in Maui. So Angie and Gia and I got up early this morning. Beautiful sunrise. And we're going to give it our best go. We're not necessarily hiking people, which is not surprising to most of you who know us. But we are going to try to head up and see what it's like. Alright guys, are you excited to be doing the hike this morning?
Yeah.
Nice, here we go. So right at the start of the trail, you can see that it goes pretty steep, pretty fast here.
What's up?
Alright, so there's the top of the very first paved section. I'd be lying if I said it didn't test my will a little bit. The parking area and pancakes were sounding pretty good. Alright. So now it seems like it's flattening out at least a little bit, so that's good. Alright guys, so this is the observation deck that's about halfway up Waihee Ridge Trail. Angie and Gia kept heading up, and I stayed here to fly some drone, get some good drone footage for you. And if you walk up onto the deck, not a horrible view.
Dad stopped to go drone like halfway, and we're gonna make it to the top. So
I
close.
think he is right about there.
And we're here.
But it's absolutely amazing and well worth it. But it is also not an easy hike. It's kind of slippery. It's a little bit on the cliff edge, but it's going well. We're gonna make it.
We made it to the top.
It was hard. Yeah. This is kind of amazing. We'll go up to the viewing platform in a second and look. I'm so proud of us. So proud of us. What are you excited about, Gia? That's right. We are headed down, and it is slippery. It has been absolutely gorgeous. There are occasionally stairs, but they are rather steep.
Hi, sweetheart. How was the summit? How was it getting all the way to the top?
All right, back on the pavement, going down towards the parking lot. All right, guys, so you made it all the way to the top of the Waihee Ridge Trail. So what'd you think of that hike?
It was really hard. Probably one of the hardest hikes I've done. Yep.
Nice. What was it like getting all the way to the top?
It was rewarding. It was beautiful.
All right, so I went halfway up the Waihee Ridge Trail and stopped at the observation deck where I did some drone footage. So I didn't go all the way to the top like Angie and Gia did. They made it. That was pretty impressive what they did. But I got some really amazing drone footage that I think you guys are gonna like a lot. This may be my favorite drone spot I've ever shot in. Expert tip, Ula Ula Cafe is on the road on the way back from Waihee Ridge. I would highly recommend stopping and getting some food there. They have all sorts of yummy food and a smoothie stand and fresh fruits, macadamia nuts, all sorts of really good things. They made special for Gia a breakfast sandwich with some french fries. I got some Loco Moco, which is delicious.
It's good.
Here's a smoothie bowl that Angie got at this place. It's called the Hawaiian Abundance Bowl, I believe.
It's got homemade granola.
All right, so that's a really good place to stop on the way back from Waihee Ridge Trail. The food was delicious. Highly recommend it.
How beautiful is that place? First off, props to Angie and Gia. They hiked all the way to the top of the trail while I was lazy and stopped at the halfway point to fly my drone around. But what a beautiful location that was. It kind of felt like we were hiking inside a Jurassic Park or something. I sure hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to show us your support, please subscribe to our channel. Bucket Day Adventures is also available on Instagram and TikTok. And please remember to take time out of your day to do something fun to fill your bucket. Thanks for watching and take care.